Have you ever undergone a surgery, maybe a life-changing surgery, and then come home and you've contracted a staph infection? It's the absolute worst. Not only are staph infections embarrassing, but they are uncomfortable, they burn, they itch, and they're so impossible to get rid of. I was prescribed antibiotic after antibiotic for over 6 months, going on 7 months, and I was done. My body was resistant to it and would not stop with that staph infection, which was getting worse. It was extremely ugly, burny, itchy, and I just wanted it gone. So I made the switch from the antibiotics that were being given over and over and over to a probiotic, which acted internally as well. And I started applying Biwaderm twice a day on and around the affected area. Within 2 weeks, my itchy, burning, runny, horrible staph infection that I'd had for about 7 months started to go away. I am not a doctor, but I am someone who used it and someone who had a legit, real staph infection that would not go away. This probiotic is very smooth, goes on creamy, rich, gets easily absorbed into the system, and the ingredients work magically to get rid of that horrible staph infection. It worked for me, and I believe in this product. Check out my after results. All I have is just a little scar line. Find it on Amazon.